All right, it's Monday. That means News 6 anchor Erik von Ancken is getting results at home.
Oh yeah, last week we showed you what to buy for your paint project. Today we're turning a wall blue and showing you how to do it yourself while you keep more money in your pocket. News 6 anchor Erik von Ancken shows us the painting trick that makes all the difference.
Hey, I'm News 6 anchor Erik von Ancken, the handy newsman, and I'm going to show you how to paint painlessly this wall as long as you do this one thing. This is the secret to a perfect and painless paint job. The first key, though, is making sure you put it on right, putting it on every single place where you don't want paint. Now here's the second key and the most important with this painter's tape. You want to start peeling off the tape the second you're done painting. You don't want to wait till it's dry at all because then you're going to be peeling off dry chunks of paint. This is the key to a perfect line. What do you think? Should we leave it? We've seen so many painters start by painting a W on the wall when they first start using the roller. What's the point of that? Well, we found out the reason is first to spread the paint around, but secondly, just to focus on one smaller section at a time. Then you move on to a different section. So this is Penny's wall in Penny's apartment here in Orlando, and Penny is actually my producer, meaning she tells me what to do. But not today. The question is, did I get it right today? Let's find out. Producer Penny.
Yes.
How did we do?
It looks great. I like it.
That's good enough for me. I think you're qualified to answer the question.
Okay.
Did we get results?
I think you did. Maybe.
Wow. This is how it is every day. If you'd like us to try and get results at your house, if you got a project you'd like us to tackle, send me an email at gettingresultsathome@wkmg.com, and next week we might just show up at your door. For now in Orlando, Erik von Ancken, Getting Results at Home, News 6.
Hey, I saw some things I did wrong when I painted a wall recently.
I never realized that you were supposed to take the tape off while it's still wet. That makes so much sense now.
Yeah, now we know. If you'd like to watch that again, we put it all for you on clickorlando.com. Just look at the Getting Results under the Getting Results at Home tab.